Bitcoin is creating this symmetrical triangle, but don't get fooled because in the next few days we will be breaking out. So be sure to be watching this video till the end because we do have some very interesting charts that we need to be discussing, because right now the momentum indicators are telling us exactly where the Bitcoin price is headed towards. Can we once again smash the likes up above the 30 likes? And without further ado, let's jump right into the analysis. So right here, what you can be seeing is over the past couple of days we are creating this symmetrical triangle right here with this support line and this resistance line right now squeezing in the price action, and we are right now getting close towards the apex. Now of course currently we are trading in a weekend, so I will be talking about exactly what this means for the Bitcoin price for this weekend. As well as that pattern, well, we are currently also creating this ascending triangle as well right here, with the most important resistance right here coming out at about 28.8k level, which is also our most important resistance range right here. And from off this level, I'm definitely still looking into shorting opportunities, which this level comes from of this resistance level right here. And as you can be seeing in the bull market, we got some very huge support from off that level, and right now it is turning in towards resistance. So a very important level to keep your eyes out, and definitely whenever we are going to be losing this support level right here, definitely from off that moment, I will be having a look in towards lower and lower targets getting reached, and I will be telling you guys exactly what levels I'm currently watching in the Bitcoin charts, as well as we are currently creating this rising wedge formation, which is a typical reversal pattern. And as you can be seeing, yes indeed, we are creating our uptrend right here. We are creating right now this rising wedge. So yes indeed, we can be creating this reversal pattern, and right now of course turning the trend towards the downside for the short term. Now of course this price target would be all the way towards the 25.6k, and this is going to be confluencing with the exact price targets that I'm going to be telling you guys a bit later in this video. As well as on the very short term, we are currently seeing this 1 hourly candle breakout. We were creating some kind of a smaller symmetrical triangle right there. Now I'm not really looking to be trading these lower time frame patterns right here, and especially not in the weekend, because in the weekend, well, we usually do see more fake outs getting created because of lower volatility. So yeah, definitely in the end of the day, well, we could be getting a push back towards the upside to once again reach this resistance level right here, which will be even pretty likely. I have been sharing this over the past couple of days. Of course, I've been saying, all right, I don't expect this support level to break anytime soon. I do think we will be getting held, and I think in the beginning of next week, anywhere close towards this apex right here, I do think then we are going to be seeing our breakdown, and then we are going to be seeing a very quick move towards the downside getting created. So yeah, in the end of the day, yeah, we could be seeing higher targets getting reached for the short term right here, but I'm not looking to be trading it because it is just too risky for me to be trading this breakout right here. I'm looking to be trading the breakdown of this support. Now yeah, having a look in towards our momentum indicators are definitely turning towards the downside. So with a higher likelihood, we can definitely be expecting this breakout turning towards the downside more likely than towards the upside, because we can be seeing weakening price action getting created. Every single move towards the upside is getting weaker and weaker, which is indicating a momentum loss for the Bitcoin price right here. And that is definitely indicating that yes, we are about to be falling anytime soon. Also, it looks to be like we are creating some kind of a rounding top, which is also definitely a bearish market structure. Having a look into our momentum indicator, well, this one is definitely also turning towards the downside. And as you can be seeing for the previous times, all of the times we were seeing momentum continuing towards the downside. So definitely right now, if we are going to be getting our breakdown right here, we can be also expecting more momentum coming towards the downside. Also, we are creating right now a daily bearish divergence, just like we have been seeing right here. And yes, right here in the end of the day, we did get our bearish continuation. So right now, once again, we can be expecting some kind of a rejection coming in towards the market, because yeah, well, these daily RSI bearish divergences are usually very powerful, and typically they don't tend to get invalidated a lot of the times. Also, having a look into our 3-day indicator, well, right here, we can also be seeing we are creating a double bearish divergence on the RSI indicator on the 3-day time frame. So definitely also on the 3-day time frame, it is not looking all too good. And we are doing this all during we are running into major resistance. So definitely from this point, it is safe to say that we are very likely to be getting a rejection from this level. Now, what I'm currently looking at is this fractal right here at this moment to be getting repeated. And if you want to be getting more in-depth analysis of this fractal right here, you need to be watching yesterday's video. But basically what I'm telling right here is that we are looking in towards a move, first of all, towards the upside, in this case towards the downside right here, getting created to be shaking out every single long position, or well, in this case, shaking out every single short position, and then we are going to be creating our gigantic move towards the downside, or well, in this case, towards the upside in the end of the day. So first, a very big, very fast move towards the upside, or in this case, towards the downside, and then we are going to be moving towards the downside, or in this case towards the upside. And for comparison, well, you might be thinking, all right, this move was not very big, but if we can be measuring this move right here, it was of about a 16% move, which is absolutely very big. And if we are going to be moving down with about 16% from this level, it would be setting us back all the way towards the 25k level, which is going to be this previous support, which is highlighted right here. And from this level, we have very much a lot of confluences. We have breakout targets at this exact level of these breakouts right here, and also of this rising wedge right here. We are having massive support coming in from this level right here. And we are, of course, also having our inverse head and shoulder breakout retest level at that level. So definitely from that level, it is safe to say, all right, we can be expecting some kind of a bounce from that level. And whenever we are going to be reaching this level, well, we can be expecting a double bottom getting formed. And then we are going to be once again breaking this resistance towards the upside. But of course, one thing that you need to be keeping in mind, of course, we are trading right now in the weekend. So for me, there are two options currently playing out in towards the market during we have a look in towards this symmetrical triangle right here. The first option is that we are going to be getting our push towards the upside, once again going in towards this resistance level. And in this case, I think it's going to be taking about 2 days also to be reaching this resistance level once again. But in this case, we will be creating this CME gap. And of course, because the CME futures are not trading right now, we will be once again opening it somewhere at around these levels, which means right here, this will be the gap we will be creating. And we do know these CME gaps tend to get filled rather sooner than later. So we will be in the end of the day filling this CME gap. And yeah, then we are going to be getting our downwards push once again in the market. So that is also the reason why I am going to be still shorting this resistance level right here, if we are going to be getting this push towards the upside in the weekend. Now, another option still would be that we are going to be getting a weekend breakout towards the downside. This is, of course, a possibility. And in this case, it would also be aligning with our analysis right here, because I expect this move to be happening very quick. Just like it did over here. It was only about 1 to 2 candles right there towards the upside, and right after that we already went towards the downside. So if we are going to be getting a weekend breakdown of today or maybe even tomorrow, well, we can be getting a very big candle towards the downside actually that will be lasting for about 1 day. And so definitely a breakdown of this one, I am definitely still looking to be shorting this breakdown even in a weekend. And then once again, when we are returning in towards this support target, I am looking to be once again longing the market. So yeah, that is currently my game plan. Be sure to be following me on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. And guys, with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning. And guys, bye bye.